Hello everyone, I am a cardiologist, and today I want to share with you a simple but extremely effective morning routine that 99% of seniors do not know about, which helps to naturally and sustainably improve cardiovascular health. As we enter middle age and old age, our hearts have to work harder to maintain the rhythm of life. But with just a few small changes in our daily habits, we can help our hearts become healthier, reducing the risk of diseases such as high blood pressure, stroke, or heart attack. Let's explore this secret with me. First, let's talk about the importance of cardiovascular health. The heart is a miraculous machine, pumping blood continuously to provide oxygen and nutrients to the entire body. But as we age, blood vessels can become less elastic, cholesterol builds up, and the pressure on the heart increases. Many people think that to protect the heart, we need complicated methods such as taking expensive drugs or high-intensity exercise. But in fact, there is a morning routine that is so simple that anyone can do it, but it brings great results. What is that routine? It is 10 minutes of gentle exercise combined with deep breathing right after waking up. It sounds simple, but science has proven that this can improve blood circulation, reduce stress on the heart, and improve overall health. Let me explain. When you wake up, your body has just had a night's rest. Blood circulation is slower, and the heart needs to be gently stimulated to start a new day. Gentle exercise will help increase the heart rate safely, while deep breathing provides more oxygen to the blood, helping the heart work more effectively. So how to do it properly? It's very easy. After waking up, take a minute to sit in bed and breathe deeply. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, then exhale through your mouth for 6 seconds. Repeat about 5 times. This helps wake up your body, relax your nervous system, and prepare for the movement. Then, stand up, stretch, rotate your neck, rotate your shoulders gently to warm up your body. Next, you can walk in place or around the house for 7 to 8 minutes, keeping a moderate pace, not too fast. If you want, you can combine some simple stretching movements, such as raising your knees or swinging your arms gently. The important thing is that you feel comfortable, not straining. Why is this habit effective? First, gentle exercise in the morning helps stimulate the circulatory system, dilates blood vessels, and improves blood flow to the heart. This is especially important for the elderly, as it helps reduce pressure on the blood vessel walls, thereby reducing the risk of high blood pressure. Second, deep breathing provides abundant oxygen, helping the heart pump blood more efficiently without having to work too hard. Third, this habit also helps reduce stress, a major factor that harms the cardiovascular system. When you start the day with relaxation, the hormone cortisol, the cause of stress, will decrease, helping to protect the heart in the long term. I know many seniors worry that exercise may be tiring or unsuitable for their health, but rest assured, this method is designed to be safe for most people, including those with poor health. If you are on heart medication or have an underlying condition, consult your doctor first, but usually 10 minutes of gentle exercise will not cause harm. The important thing is to listen to your body. If you feel tired, slow down, or rest. Don't try to overdo it. Also, to increase the effectiveness of this habit, I recommend combining it with a few small notes. First, drink a glass of warm water after exercising to rehydrate and support circulation. Second, eat a healthy breakfast with heart-healthy foods, such as oatmeal, fruit, or a handful of walnuts. Avoid fried foods or foods with too much salt, as these can increase blood pressure. Third, try to maintain this habit every day. After just 2 to 3 weeks, you will start to feel the difference. Your body will feel lighter, your mind will be more refreshed, and your cardiovascular system will improve significantly. A recent study at Harvard University showed that people over 60 who do light exercise in the morning have a 20% lower risk of heart disease than those who do nothing. This number is impressive, right? The great thing is that you don't need a gym, no equipment, just 10 minutes every morning at home. This is a gift you give your heart, and I believe anyone can do it. I want to emphasize that cardiovascular health does not come from just one habit, but a combination of many factors. In addition to morning exercise, you should maintain enough sleep, control stress, and have regular health checkups. If you smoke, try to quit, because cigarettes are the #1 enemy of the heart. If you have a habit of drinking, keep it to a minimum. All of this, along with 10 minutes of morning exercise, will create a strong shield for your heart. Before I end, I want to tell you a little story. Not long ago, I had a 72-year-old patient who had high blood pressure and was often tired. He thought he would have to live with this condition for the rest of his life. But after I guided him through this 10-minute morning routine, after just 1 month, he reduced his blood pressure medication, felt more energetic, and even started walking with his friends in the neighborhood. He told me, "I wish I had known this earlier, and that is why I want to share it with you today. Start tomorrow. Just 10 minutes every morning will lay the foundation for a healthy heart and a vibrant life. Don't let age hold you back. Your heart deserves to be taken care of, and you absolutely can." Thank you for listening, and I wish you health and happiness.